24. AMC 8. Question 24. Jing has made a piece of stained glass art in the shape of two mountains, as shown in the figure below. One mountain peak is 8 feet high, while the other is 12 feet high. Each peak forms a 90-degree angle, and the street sides form a 45-degree angle with the ground. The artwork has an area of 183 square feet. The sides of the mountain meet at an intersection point near the center of the artwork, 8 feet above the ground. What is the value of h? This question firstly is nice in the perspective that there is a 90-degree angle and 45-degree angle. This reminds me of isosceles right triangles. So the first thing I would do is to actually form those triangles out. So let's name a few points to make things easier to handle. Let's see, this point is A, B, C, D, E. And now let's extend DC to form the big triangle. So if we extend DC to here, and let's call this point F. This angle is also going to be 45 degree. So triangle DEF is going to be a 90-degree, 45 and 45 degree isosceles right triangle. Now, I know the height is 12, then DE will be 12 times square root of 2. That is because when you have this 90-degree, 45-degree right triangle, the relationship between the sides and the hypotenuse is 1 root 2. 45 degree and 90 degree. So remember this relationship. The two sides are equal, so 1 and 1, and then you can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse is square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared equal to root 2. In this case, 12 and 12 root 2. So the area of triangle DEF, which you can write as DEF, this is a notation you can use for the area of this triangle DEF, is going to be a half times 12 root 2 times 12 root 2. So you will find this is equal to 144. Similarly, you can find if you extend BC to here, which is G, and you will also get this 45, 45. So triangle ABG use the same logic. AB is going to be equal to 8 times square root of 2. And in that sense, the area of ABG is going to be a half times 8 root 2 times 8 root 2. So it's going to be 64. Now, they also told us the artwork's total area is 183 square feet. So how do we use this number? Like, why does this matter? Well, think about this. You have two triangles now, ABG and DEF, and they overlap. When you put them together, the total area is going to be less than the two triangles area add up together, which you can see, because if you find the area of ABG plus the area of DEF, that's going to be 144 plus 64, that's 208. So the two triangles area add up is 208. However, this artwork's area is 183. Why is that? That is because triangle CFG, this overlap section, is double counted. In triangle APG, CFG is counted, and in triangle DEF, CFG is counted again. So the difference between 208 and 183 is the area of triangle CFG. Now, by looking at the picture, one more thing you will notice is triangle CFG is also a 90-degree, 45-degree, and 45-degree triangle. And if its height is h, then CF is going to be h times square root of 2. And CG is going to be square root of 2 times h as well. So in the meantime, I have triangle CFG's area is equal to a half times root 2 times h times root 2 times h. So its area should be h squared. And you know h squared now is equal to 25 because from this overlapping calculation, you find its area. Now, which number square, which means the number time itself, is equal to 25? The answer is h equal to 5. So the answer is B.